Ready to ditch the generic and make your Wells Fargo card uniquely yours? This video will show you how to add a personal touch to your banking experience. Wells Fargo offers a fantastic way to personalize your debit or credit card by letting you upload your own photo. This is a great way to showcase your personality, a favorite memory, or even your pet. The process is straightforward. First, log into your Wells Fargo online account or open the Wells Fargo mobile app. Navigate to the Card Settings or Account Services section and look for an option like Card Design Lab or Customize Your Card. Once you're in the customization area, you'll find an option to upload your picture. Click on it and then select a photo from your computer or device. Make sure your photo meets Wells Fargo's guidelines regarding content and resolution. You can usually preview how your design will look before finalizing. After uploading, you can usually adjust the crop and position of your photo to ensure it looks perfect on your card. Take your time with this step to get the best result. It's important to note that there might be a small fee associated with this customization service. You'll typically see this fee clearly displayed before you confirm your order. Once you've confirmed your design and paid any applicable fees, Wells Fargo will process your request. Your new, personalized card will then be mailed to you, usually arriving within a few weeks. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Wells Fargo card, adding a personal touch to your everyday banking. Express yourself and enjoy your unique card.